Hi everyone, welcome back to part 6 video of chapter 3 matrix, and this is class 12 mathematics. So in this video we are going to look after the examples of examples of matrix question number 6 to 12. Okay, question number 6 to 12. Actually, we are looking after the examples for exercise 3.2 concepts we have already looked after in the previous video. Now we are seeing the example problems for exercise 3.2. There, question number 6 to 12 we are going to look after. Okay, so this is part 6, so we have made part 5 videos. So you have not watched, the links are provided in the description, you can go and check it out. Also the link is provided, that is going to pop up above, you can go and click over that and you can watch the previous sessions also. And if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to VRC Smart Edu channel, and if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and then continue to watch this video. So you can make everybody to watch this video by sharing the video with their friends and family members. Now, exercise 3.2 concepts, when I was teaching in the previous part, I told matrix multiplication is very important and I gave two questions for you to solve as a homework question. Right? Two questions I gave and I told you to solve those two questions, and it is going to be the matrix multiplication, right? So I told in the next video I'll post the answers, that is I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'll also put the answers. So uh, if you have made that, take the notebook and check your answer. Now I'm going to show you how to put that sum. Okay, so moving on to the homework question that I gave. Okay, so first question of the homework that I gave is this. Right, yeah, I told you to find AB. So this is A matrix, this is B matrix. So first you have to split it into rows and then columns. So AB is equal to, first you have to multiply first row, first column. So 2 ones are 2 plus 3 zeros are 0 plus 4 threes are 12. Then first row, second column. Okay, then 2 threes are minus 6, minus 3 is there. 3 twos are 6, then plus 0. 0, 4 zeros are 0 only. Then first row, third column. It is going to be 2 fives are 10, then plus 4 threes are 12, then 4 fives are 20. Clear? That's all. This is the first row. Then second row, first column. So 3 ones are 3 plus 0, 4 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15. Then for second row, second column, 3 threes are 9, minus 9 because minus symbol is there here. So 4 twos are 8 plus 8 and plus 0 because here 5 into 0, anything into 0 is 0. Then 4 fives are 20 plus sorry, doing 1 second. Yes, 3 fives are 15, then 4 fours are 16, then 5 fives are 25. Next, third row, first column. Third row, first column, 4 plus 0, that's 5 zeros are 0 only. 6 threes are 18 plus 18. Next, third row, second column. So 4 threes are minus 12, then plus 10 plus 0. Then third row, third column. 4 fives are 20 plus 5 fours are 20 plus 6 fives are 30. So now we have to just simplify and write this one. So 12 plus 2 14, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 22. 1 second. 18 plus 4, 22. Okay. Next, minus 6 plus 6, 0. Then minus 1. That is minus 9 plus 8, minus 1. Then minus 12 plus 10, minus 2. Then 20, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40, 42. Right, 42. Then 20, 30, 40. Then 50. Then 56. Right, 56. Next 20, 20, 40. Then 40 plus 30 is going to be 70. So that's all. This is your 3 by 3 matrix. This is your AB matrix. That is you have to find. So if you have got this answer, check this answer. This is the right answer. If you got this answer, then you are going to be pro in doing the multiplication. So when you are doing lots of multiplication, it will usually become easy for you. You can do everything easily. Okay, much easier it will become. So if you initially if you are taking 15 minutes time for doing a single problem, no problem at all. When you do multiple questions, it will become easy. You can do the single question within 2 minutes. You can quickly finish it off. Okay. Now going on to the next question that I gave that I gave in the previous session. Uh, Now listen. Uh, A matrix is this, B matrix. I told you to find BA, and I also told that commutative law is not possible here. That is, AB is not equal to BA. Okay. So BA means first you have to consider the B. Means B you have to take it as the rows, and A have to take it as a column. So if you find it difficult, then write like this: BA is equal to 4105 into 1 minus 1 2 3. If you find difficult, write like this. First you put the rows, because you have practiced first putting the rows, second putting the column. That means it will be difficult when you put rows here and columns here. So better you change the order and write by yourself. Now put like this. Now write BA. Now what is you are going to get? 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, then 4 zeros are 0 plus 0, then 4 twos are 8 plus 0 threes are again 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are minus 5, because minus 1 into 5 is minus 5, then 1 twos are 2, 5 threes are 15 plus 15. So now your BA is going to be equal to 4 plus 0 is 4, this is minus 4, this is 8, and this is 17. So your this is also 2 into 2 matrix. So your BA is equal to 4 minus 4, 8, 17. So this is also 2 by 2 matrix. So whatever the matrix you have here, go to say. I told no, C matrix would be 2 by 2 matrix. Here also I told the C matrix will be there. The resultant matrix will be 3 by 3 matrix. Similarly, you got that. Here also similarly you got the 2 by 2 matrix. So here also if you are correct with your answers, then you are approved. Okay, we are going to make it very easily. If you are wrong, no problem. Just go and check it out where you have gone wrong and make sure you correct it. Okay. So while we are going in the future part of the chapter, you should be very clear with multiplication, because in most of the cases you will use this multiplication. Matrix multiplication, that to 3 by 3 multiplication only most of the areas you will use. Not only in matrix, in determinants also you will use. So only I told it's very very important. Okay. Right. So look here. So now A is, first you have to read the question. A is given, A matrix, B matrix is given, find A plus B. Now looking A matrix is, what is the order of the matrix? First you have to check for addition. Order of the matrix here is 2 by 3 matrix. Here also 2 by 3 matrix. So no problem, you can start with adding, because the order of the matrix should be same in case of both the matrix in case of addition. So now find A plus B. A plus B, next thing, how you should add? You should add the corresponding elements, that is corresponding entries you have to add. So now you have to add root 3 plus 2. There is no way, so root 3 plus 2 as it is you have to write. Then 1 plus root 5, no way, 1 plus root 5. Then minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 3 uh, then 3 plus 3 is 6. Then you are going to have 1 by 2. So this is going to be what? This is also going to be 2 by 3 matrix. When you add, you will get 2 by 3 matrix only. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. So moving on to example 7. Okay. So example 7, let me read the question first. Listen carefully here. The question is, if A is equal to, the matrix A is given 1 2 3 2 3 1, and B is equal to 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. Okay. Then find 2A minus B. Okay. So what you need to find is very important here. So underline that you have to find 2A minus B. Now you can find this in two different ways. I'll tell you. First way is, you have to find 2A. You know how to find 2A? That is nothing but the scalar multiplication of matrix. You know. So first you have to find 2A. I'll show that. Okay. 2A is common for both the method. So you have, I'll rub this later. So method 1, method 2. Okay, method 2. So which is easy, you can do that. First 2A you have to find. First step. Here also first step 2A you have to find. Second step, what we are going to do is, if you have B here, but you have to find minus B here. So I can first, after finding 2A, you have to subtract 2A minus B. Okay, that is 2A you have from 2A. After finding 2A from A, you have 2A. From 2A, you have to subtract B. You know how to subtract two matrices, right? So, first you have to consider, suppose 1, 2, 2, 1 is a matrix, and 0, 1, then 1, 0. This is a matrix. How to subtract? This is A matrix, B matrix. A minus B means from A you have to subtract B. You know how to subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So like this, you know how to subtract two matrices. Using that, you can subtract. This is the first method, so that you can find the answer. But in your book, another method is given. That is nothing but, listen here. Second one, what you are going to do is, after finding 2A plus minus B, you are going to take it as separate one. Okay, so method A is easy method, you know already. So method B is very easy than method A. So I'll show you now. Method 2 only we are going to use to solve this problem today. I'm going to use method 2. Listen carefully. Okay, so method 2, first step is finding 2A. 2A is nothing but 2 into 1 2 3 2 3 1. So you have to find 2A. So 2A is equal to, you will multiply 2 to each and every element, each and every term. Okay. So 2 into 1, like that you have to multiply. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Similarly, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 1s are 2. So you got like this, right? Now, this is your 2A. Next, I told you have to find 2A plus minus B. That means first you have to find minus B. Already told negative matrix we studied in our introduction part. Okay. So there I told negative of A means you have to change the symbol, that is what. So you have B matrix here. Negative of B is going to be what? Negative of B is going to be minus 3, 1, minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2. That is, wherever you have positive values, you have to change it into negative values. Wherever you have negative values, you have to change it into positive values. That is only negative of a matrix. So you have to find the negative of the matrix minus B. Now, first you have completed finding 2A. Now you have to substitute in this value. Okay, I'll rub this one. Okay. So you have to substitute in this value. That is nothing but 2a 2a plus of minus b. Okay, that is nothing but your 2a is this value, 2a is this value, and minus b is this value. So 2a you have to substitute, that is nothing but 246,462. Okay, and your minus b value is this. Okay, so minus b plus of this value you have to substitute. Okay, so that is going to be minus 3 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 2. Okay, so now very simple, you have to just add and you have to write the final value. So that is going to be your 2a minus b is equal to, you have to just add the values. Adding is easy than subtracting, right? So you just add. So 2 plus of minus 3 is going to be minus 1. Corresponding elements, corresponding entries you have to add. Okay, then 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 6 plus of minus 3 is 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. Again 6 plus 0 is 6. Then 2 plus minus 2 is 0. So your answer is going to be minus 153,560. So your answer, final answer is this. This is my method 2. So if you put by method 1 also, you get the same answer. Okay. Right. So moving on to the next question. So listen here. So you have the equation that is A matrix is given and B matrix is given, and they are asking us to find the matrix X. Okay. So listen. A matrix is given, B matrix is given. So find matrix X such that, so 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. Now I am going to consider the equation first. So considering the equation first, what you have to do is, listen here, say taking this equation, I need what I need from the equation, I need only X. So take this X alone this side. So I'll show it step by step. 3X is equal to 5B minus 2A. Now X alone keeping this side, 1 by 3 multiplication, division, become division. So 5B minus 2A. So now it is very clear that X is equal to 1 by 3 into 5B minus 2A. Clear? Now what you are going to have is your X is equal to, see, now you know the value of A and you know the value of B. First find 5B. 5B is equal to 5 into 2, 4 minus 5 minus 2, 2, 1. So this is equal to, so 5B is equal to 5 into B. So B value you know. So now finding 5B. 5B is equal to, so 5 into, you are multiplying each and every term. So 5 twos are 10. Again 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are minus 25. Then 5 minus 10. 5 twos are 10. Again 5 twos are 10. Again 5 ones are 5. So you are having 10, 20, minus 25, minus 10, 10, 5. This is your 5B. You found 5B. Now you have to find 2A. Okay. 2A. What is 2A? 2 into your A value you have to write. What is your A value? Your A value is 8,430 minus 2 6. So 843 minus 2 6. Okay, so this one. Now 2A is equal to, so 2A is equal to 2 into 8 8 16 you will get, then 0 you will get, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, then 2 twos are 4, minus 4 you will get, 6 twos are 12 you are going to get. So okay, so this is what you will get here. Now what they are given is 5b minus 2a. So I told a trick in the previous question. So there will be a trick you can use here. So what is the trick is, listen here, listen the trick. So you have 2a, 2a is equal to, so you are going to find minus 2a. I know that, see the negative number, already we studied in the previous session, right, in the introduction part, negative of a matrix. Negative of a matrix means you have to just change the symbol in the given matrix. So in the given matrix, you have to change symbols of the each and every element. So minus 16, minus 8, minus 6, 0, 4, minus 12. So this is your minus 2a. Now what you are going to find is, I am going to find 5b minus 2a. So that is going to be nothing but 5b. We already found 5b. What is 5b here? 5b is 10, 20 minus 25. 10, 20 minus 25 and minus 10, 10, 5. This is then plus of minus 2a we already found, that we have to write minus 16 minus 8 minus 6, 0, 4 minus 12. So when you just add these two values, what you are going to get, that is 5b minus 2a, what you are going to get. So when you add 10 plus 16, you will get minus 6. Then um, 20, then 20 plus minus 8, you will get 12, plus 12 only. Minus 25 minus 6, when you add, what you will get, minus 25 minus 6, 31, minus 31. And here 0, then 10 plus 4, 14, then 12 plus 5 minus 12. So my minus, what you will get, minus 7 you will get, minus 7. So this is your 5b minus 2a. Now you know that your x is equal to 1 by 3 into 5b minus 2a. This one you know. So according to that, you know 5b minus 2a. So substituting x is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 6, 12 minus 31, 0, 14 minus 7. So now what you have to do? Now what you have to do? Simply it's nothing but you have to do the internal multiplication. Internal multiplication. So your x is equal to 1 by 3. I am writing the again the value minus 6, 12 minus 31, um, minus 10, 14 and minus 7. Okay, so this is a value. So your x is equal to, you have to divide 3 by each and every term. When you divide it, what you will get? When you divide it, what you are going to get? So 3 2s are 6, so minus 2. Then 3 4s are 12, so 4, just simply 4. Then minus 31 by 3, it is not divisible, so that minus 10 by 3, it's not divisible. Then again 14 by 3, it's not divisible. Minus 7 by 3, again it's not divisible. So this is your value of your x. This is how you can find the value of x. Clear? Right. So when you see here, you can able to look after find x and y. So x and y are nothing but what? What is x and y? X and y are matrix here. They are not elements. Okay. Here x and y is matrix. So I'll give you few seconds. So think how you can do this problem. So first you're seeing this problem means just think how you can do this. See, x and y are matrix. You have to find x and y. Okay, how you can find x and y matrix? So now x plus y is given, x minus y is given. Okay, x plus y is 5029, x minus y is 3061, minus 1. Okay. So now when you just look after, look here. So now what you can do here, listen carefully what I am doing. So x plus y is there, x minus y is there. First I am going to add x plus y plus x minus 1. I'm going to add. That means you're going to get 5029 309 plus 306 minus 1. Okay, so now after adding, what you will get? See, while I'm adding, I can also rearrange this, right? So when I remove the bracket of plus, what will happen? I get x. So plus x only get, minus y only I will get when I remove the bracket plus. See, when I remove the bracket, x plus y plus x minus y. This is what I'll get. I'm going to rearrange and write this one. While I'm rearranging and writing, I'm going to get x plus x, y minus y. I'm going to get this. So while I'm going to get this, what I'm going to do is that, look here, I'm going to add these values and I'm going to write it. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 8, again 6 plus 2 is 8, again 0, 9 minus 1 is 8. So you are getting this value. Now your y minus y will completely get cancelled. So x plus x is what? 2x. So 2x is equal to 8088. You will get this. So 2x means I'm going to bring this to this side. So what will happen? X is equal to 1 by 2 into 8088 you will get. Hope you are clear, right? So now this 2 I'm going to give to this 8. Each and every term I'm going to divide it by 8. So if it is going to be the division or it is going to be the multiplication, whatever it is, you have to do it for each and every term. Multiplication, scalar multiplication, we already studied. So if 2 is there, you have to multiply 2 with each and every term. If 2 you are going to divide, then you have to divide it by each and every term. Okay, so x, you are going to divide each and every term by 2. So 8 by 2, 4. Okay, so here all the terms 4, 4, 0, 4. Any number divided by anything, 0 is 0. So 4, 4, 0, 4 you are getting. So this is what your x. We found your x matrix. But now we have to find your y matrix. To find y matrix, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to subtract x plus y minus x minus y. I'm going to do. So what you are going to get is, first x plus y. X plus y is 5029 5029 minus 5029 306 minus 1 306 minus 1. Okay, so how to subtract here? Now listen, say x plus y is there. Now if you just expand it, what would happen here? See, x plus y minus x plus y you will get. So x minus x you can join, y plus y you can join, right? So you can join like that and you can write it. While joining, you can use a plus symbol. You should not use a minus symbol. So x minus x into plus y. You can join like this, right? Equal to, you have to subtract and write these two values. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 minus 6 is going to be minus 4, then 0, then 9 minus of minus 1, that is 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. So this is your matrix. So now x minus x will be cancelled. So 2y is equal to this value, 2 0 minus 4 10. So 2 you have to bring to this side. So y is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 0 minus 4 10 you will get. Now this 2 you have to, I told, while dividing you have to divide each and every term by the 2. So y is equal to, while you are dividing each and every term by 2, here 2 to cancel, 1 you will get. Here 2 and 4 cancel, minus 2 you will get 0, and 2 and 10 cancel, 5 you will get. So this is your y value. So your x value you got and your y value you got. This is how you have to find the solution for this problem. Clear? Easy, right? So let's move on to the next problem. Okay. Next, moving on to example 10. So in example 10, if you just listen here, listen carefully. See, find the values of x and y. Okay, from the following equation. That means this x and this y you are supposed to find. So first of all, what you need to do? Okay, So this entire matrix is equal to this matrix. This 2 matrix when you add, that is equal to this C matrix. So first step you have to find, do this scalar. Here three concepts. You have to involve three concepts here. First concept is scalar multiplication of matrix. That is 2 into this matrix. That is scalar multiplication of matrix. Next concept is addition of two matrices. After finding the scalar multiplication, you have to add two matrices. After addition of two matrices, you have to equate the two matrices with the help of equality of matrices. In first exercise we studied, when two matrices are equal, the corresponding terms will be equal. That concept you have to use. So three concepts you are using to find the answer here. Clear? Okay. So now first we have to find what? Scalar multiplication of matrix. So what you get when you do the scalar multiplication? So you are going to get 2x, 2 5s are 10, 7 2s are 14, and uh, 2y minus 6. See, when you have 2 into y minus 3, you will do the 2 for both the values, right? So 2y and 6 you will get, right? 2y minus 6. So like this only you have to write. So only I have written here 2y minus 6. Okay, right. So now I am putting the closing the bracket plus. So now if you look here, first we have done the scalar multiplication of matrix. So next step I'm going to write everything as it is. 1 2 7 6 15 14, right? Now the next step is to do the addition of matrices. So if you just see here, first matrix and second matrix you're supposed to add in the left hand side. This two matrices you have to add. So now while adding, how you will add, what you will get? Here you will get 2x plus 3 corresponding terms. Then uh, 10 plus of minus 4 is going to be 6, right? 6 plus 6. Then 14 plus 1, 15. Then 2y minus 6 plus 2. So minus 6 plus 2, that is what you have to do, right? So minus 6 plus 2 is going to be 2y minus 4. 2y minus 4. Clear? So after adding you will get these values. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 7, 6, 15 and 14. I hope you are clear till this, right? First you are doing the matrix multiplication and you are doing the addition of both the matrices. Now you have to equate the matrices using equality of matrices. Okay. So first what you will get? You will get 2x plus 3 equal to 7. Okay. First you will get 2x plus 3 equal to 7. Next what you can say? 15 15 are equal, 6 6 are equal, then 2y minus 4 equal to 14. 2y minus 4 equal to 14. Now these are nothing but they are very simple linear equation in one variable, so you can easily solve that, right? So how you will solve? 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 by 2, x is equal to 2. So you got the value of x. Now what is the value of y? 2y is equal to 14, 14 plus 4. So 2y is equal to 18, y is equal to 18 by 2, y is equal to 9. That is 2 nines are 18, right? So your x value also you found and your y value also you found. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 9. That is what we need to find. Clear? Okay. Now moving on to example 11. Okay, example 11. So this is very simple question. It seemed to be very big question, but very simple question. Easily you can answer. Okay, sorry. Easily you can answer that question. Okay. So first let me read the question. Then we will try to answer the question. Okay. See, I'm going to read the question now. Listen carefully. Okay. So two farmers. So there are two farmers named Ram Kishan and Gurcharan Singh. Okay, these two are the names of the farmers. They are cultivating three varieties of rice. Okay, three varieties of rice: Basmati, Rimal, and Naura. These are the three varieties of rice they are cultivating. The sale of these varieties of rice by both the farmers in the month, 2 months are given. So September and October, how they are going to have the sale that is given. Okay, by the following matrix A and B. So there are two matrix A and B. A matrix is going to represent the September sales and B matrix is going to represent the October sale. In that, the first row is representing the Ram Kishan rate. Okay, Ram Kishan sales, and the second row is going to represent the Gurucharan sale. Okay, so names are given and October and September sales are given. Now, the questions is starting in the next slide. Okay, so if you just see here, find the combined sales in September and October for each farmer in each variety. That means September and October combined sales. That means very simple here to use this problem. Is nothing but for first subdivision you have to find A plus B. Very simple, right? So what is your A value? First I am writing your A value. Your A is 10,000, 50,000, and 20,000, 30,000, 30,000, and 10,000. Plus your B value is 5,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000, 6,000, 10,000. Okay, so this is what. Now A plus B, just add and tell me the values. A plus B, easy, right? So 10,000 plus 5,000 is nothing but it is 15,000. Then 20,000 plus 10,000 is 30,000. 30,000 plus 6,000 is 36,000. Now 50,000 plus 20,000 is 70,000. Then 30,000 plus 10,000, 30,000 plus 10,000 is 40,000. Okay. Next, 10,000 plus 10,000 is 20,000. So that's it. This is the answer for your first subdivision. Very simple, right? Okay. So this is going to be the Ram Krishan Krishans, and this is going to be Gurcharans. Gurcharans. Okay, this is Ram Krishans. Okay. Now moving on to the next subdivision. Find the decrease in sales from September to October. So your second subdivision is going to be A minus B. That's it. I'll write A now. So your second subdivision is going to be based on A minus B. A minus B means first I'll write the values of A. Okay. So 10,000, 50,000, 20,000, 30,000, 30,000, 10,000. Okay. Next, minus your B. B is nothing but B is going to be 5,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000, 6,000, 10,000. Okay. Now A minus B. What is A minus B? A minus B is nothing but first 10,000 minus 5,000 is 5,000. Okay. 10,000 minus 5,000 is 5,000. 20,000 minus 10,000 is 10,000. 30,000 minus 6,000 is going to be 24,000. 24,000. Then 50,000 minus 20,000 is going to be 30,000. Okay, 30,000 minus 10,000 is 20,000. 10,000 minus 10,000 is 0. Okay, so this is how you will get your second subdivision. Your second subdivision is nothing but A minus B. So this is going to be the Ram Krishans. Ram Krishans. This is going to be Gurcharans. Okay, Gurcharans, and this is Ram Krishans. Clear? Now moving on to third subdivision. Let's read the question now. See, both the farmers receive 2% profit on gross sale. Compute the profit of each farmer for each variety sold on only October. So we need only the values that the farmers got on October. So they are going to receive 2% profit on gross sales. So how do you write that profit percentage? So your B matrix is going to be on October. So they are getting 2% profit on uh, profit of B. On that B sale, they are getting 2% profit of gross sale. So how you can write this? Off in the sense multiplication, you know, in maths. So 2% can be written as 2 by 100. 2 by 100 into B. Okay. So 2 by 100 can be written as 0.02 into B. So now what is your B matrix? 0.02. What is your B matrix? Your B matrix is going to be 5,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, and 6,000, 10,000, 6,000, 10,000. Now you have to multiply each and every term by 0.02. So when you multiply with 0.02, what you will get? So listen here. So if you're not doing it by 0.02, you can also do it by 2 by 100 also. So 2 by 100, if you do, these two zeros will be cancelled, and 50 into 2. 52s are 100. Like that also you can do, you get the answer. Okay, 52s are 100. Then 2 by 100, if you divide here 2 by 100, two zeros will be cancelled. 100 into 2. 100 into 2 is nothing but 200. Right, 200. Next, 2 by 100. When you divide 2 by 100, two zeros will be cancelled. 60 into 2. So 60 into 2 is 120. Correct? 120. Then then this here also 2 by 100. So two zeros cancel. 200. 200 into 2 is 400. So 400. Next 10,000. 10,000, you're going to set the same 200 as your value. And you're also 10,000. So 200 is your value. So this is going to be after the 2% of the gross profit. So this is going to be your Ram Krishan's value, and this is going to be a Gurucharan's value, and this is Basmati, and this is going to be Premal, and this is going to be Naura. Similarly, here also you have to write it while expressing your answer: Basmati, uh, Premal, and Naura. Here also in first case also you are going to write the same. Okay, you have to write it as Basmati, Premal, and clear everybody. So here also you are writing Basmati, Premal, and Nal. Clear? Right. Moving on to example 12. So example 12, let's read the question now. Listen here. See, find AB. You have to find AB. A value is given, A matrix, and B matrix is given. Okay. AB is nothing but A into B. First, when you are multiplying, you have to look after the order of the matrix. When adding, when subtracting, everywhere you have to look the order of the matrix. Okay, here, what is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 2 matrix. What is this order? 2 by 3 matrix. So, what type of matrix you will get? You will get 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, your C matrix will be equal to 2 by 3 matrix. That is M and Q you will take, right? So, 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, now moving on, finding AB. AB is equal to 6, 9, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 0, 7, 9, 8. Now, how to find AB? First you have to have A and second you have to have B. Now, listen here. So first what you are going to do is, first A you have to take it the rows. You have to consider the rows for A. And for B you have to consider the columns. Already we have done a multiple number of questions in order of solving the multiplication. Okay. So first you have to consider the rows and then you have to consider the columns. So now let's start to multiply. Your AB already I told it is 2 by 3 matrix. That means 3 columns will be there like this. 3 columns will be there and 2 rows will be there. Same like this. Okay. Now first 6 into 2, 9 into 7. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Okay. And you have to add and put it in the same row. Then second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Clear? 6 twos are 12. Okay. Plus. And you have to add and you have to put it, get 63. 7 nines are 63. And similarly, now first row, second column. So 6 6 are 36, 9 nines are 81. Then 6 zeros are 0. And 9 eights are 72. Now the first row is over. Next we are moving on to second row, that is second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So 2 twos are 4 and 7 threes are 21. Right. So like this. Then 6 twos are 12. 9 threes are 27. Then 0 you will get, plus 24 you will get. Okay. Now this is going to be 2 by 3 matrix only. When you just add and show, it will be 2 by 3 matrix. So your AB will be equal to, just you have to simply add and show. After adding and showing, you will get 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. So what is the answer you get? Here when you add 63 plus 12, you get 72. Here you get 117. That is 81 plus 36 and again 72. Okay. So first row is over. Then next 21 plus 4 you will get 25. Then here 27, that is 20, 30. So um, 1 second. Yes, 39 and 24. So this is going to be 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. Right. So now moving on to the next. So if you look here, see here we are having questions. Okay, these are going to be your today's homework question. So I hope the previous session I gave the homework questions and you have done it seriously, sincerely, so that, see, when you are doing it will be always helpful for you, right? So I have given the answer in this session in the beginning itself. So hope you watched that and you have checked your answers, right? So here also you have the homework question for you. So here it is given, evaluate the homework question, that you have to just multiply, you have to do matrix multiplication considering it as A matrix, B matrix, find AB in all the cases. All the 3 cases, find AB. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. Okay, so find AB. So first A should be having the rows and B should be column. You have to split the B into column and A into rows. Okay, next term, second one and third one. So here you have to be very careful in order. Always remember the order. The order of the matrix when you are multiplying, it should be m by n by q means your this n and n should be always equal. That is, if A matrix is m by n and if your B matrix is n by q, see n and n only I have used. You should not use any other variable here because this n should be equal to this n and this mq will be different values or same values also. So m into q you will get it as your C matrix. Okay, your C matrix will be m into q. But when you talk about the order, always m by n and B matrix should be n by q. Right, this you have to keep it in your mind and solve all these problems. First, you have to look after the order. If this order is satisfying, then only you have to start solving the problem. Clear for all these three questions? So surely I'll post the answers. That is, we will try to solve the answers for all these three questions in our next session. Okay. Next session in the beginning itself, we will solve all these three problems. So now you try to solve this and wait for the answers. In the next video, surely you will get the answer for this question. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and watch the videos. After that, try solving the homework questions and check the homework questions. Okay, if you like this video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Let them also gain this knowledge with you, and kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notification. So when you subscribe our channel, surely you get the notifications in your notification bar, and it is very important to do that. Kindly do that and please like this video so that will be helpful for everybody. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.